Everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix can't add card to Apple Pay. Cashless transactions are greatly becoming the major payment method. Apple Pay is a digital payment service released by Apple. It simplifies the process of making payments and offers you with secure and convenient payment experience. Adding your card to Apple Pay is the first and foremost step to make payments without carrying cash. Yet some users may stuck in such pretal that they cannot add to card Apple Pay. If you run into the same issue, I will help you to fix it. First of all, you have to do is simply check service outage. If your Apple Pay is working fine all the time and it's the first time that you encounter the sticky situation, you can check the status of payment service first. Head to Apple's Pay official system status page and find Apple Pay. If the color if the color next to it indicates green, the server side is operating normally. Otherwise, there could be issues with Apple Pay service. In this case, you will need to wait patiently until the issue are resolved by Apple. After this, then you have to do is check Apple ID region. We have already mentioned that only selected regions support Apple Pay service. If the region of your Apple ID is set to an unsupported region or country, Apple Pay may prevent you from adding cards. After this, then you have to do is change the device region. It is also important to check the region of your device, which could cause the card rejected by Apple Pay due to region restrictions. So you have to go open your settings, tap on your general, now scroll down and tap on language and region. Tap on region and you have to make sure that the region is selected correctly. After this, then you have to do is remove some cards. If you can't add a card to Apple Wallet, it is possible that you add too many card to it and surpass its limit. So guys, for pre-iPhone 8 models, you are allowed to add up to 8 cards. For iPhone 8 to iPhone X, you can add 12 cards and 16 for iPhone XS and later. If you reach the maximum number of cards, you will need to delete some cards and then add your new card. So guys, after trying removing and adding the card and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is contact card issuer. When the could not add card notifications come out, you can also contact your card issuer or banker to check whether they support Apple Pay. Through Apple Pay works well with many cards for top banks. Some cards from participating banks may be rejected. Just contact the card issuer to get assistance. After trying this all step and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Starting iPhone is also possible to fix temporary software problems and put your card in Apple Wallet. To do this, you have to open your settings, tap on your general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.